Hey everybody, got a slightly different kind of teardown to do today. It's not a huge, great big lump of scientific equipment. It's an old calculator. This one is manufactured by Rockwell. So we're just going to have a quick look around this, take it apart, see if it works, and see if there's anything interesting on the inside. So this was picked up here in the UK from a charity shop. Cost a grand total of £1. It came complete like this, in this sort of fake leather pouch thing. So that's for credit cards. Piece of paper here with some tear off little note strips or something. So we've got the calculator itself. Let's take this out, it's quite tight in here. So we've got space for a pen. We've got some odd bits of paper in here as well. Bailey 1560, 1620. Somebody's notes and account keeping of some description. We've got names down here, and presumably that's money there. And Bailey, are they the same names? Yeah, these are similar names. We've got what looks like a till receipt. Nuts. Coffee. Milk. Soap. £49.26, and that was on the 15th of the 2nd, 1980. So that's getting on a bit. 1977 series, City and Guilds of London Institute. Your candidate number is 181432. Something about some kind of college work for a Mr. Howard William Careless. It seems he was pretty careless leaving his stuff in his calculator. Right, so this is clearly manufactured by Rockwell, which is a large American organisation. Looking on the internet, this calculator dates from 1976. You can be quite specific with this because it seems that it was only available for sale in 1976. It had obviously a very short life, this one. So this particular calculator is the 24K2. Why it's got I don't no idea, but so this dates from 1976, so it should be interesting to see what this is like on the inside. We've got vacuum fluorescent display, or what it looks like. It's got that sort of, you can just see the digits in there. Just port on the bottom. Rockwell International, model 24K2, made in Japan. Probably part of the calculator wars. Keyboard is keypad's sort of quite nice actually. It's quite nice clicky buttons on there. Yeah, that's obviously been opened a few times before. There we are. So the back cover is just pressed aluminium. Right, so in the bottom here we got 3 AAA sized nickel cadmium batteries. Presumably this is a charging connector. Got a cutout and a electrolytic capacitor in there, which is a Rubicon. I would imagine that's the connector for the display, and a few oddball bits. Right, let's take this out. What is that? Okay, here we have the vacuum fluorescent display. We've got three capacitors along the top here. We've got the keyboard. Now, I think what I might do is actually unsolder this so we can actually get a better look. Right, I've just desoldered that, so we can actually see the circuit board now. So we've got the vacuum fluorescent display. We've got a few passive components, the power switch just here. few odd passives. Got 2 transistors here. Obviously, these, some of this circuit is going to be to generate this higher voltage to drive the vacuum fluorescent display. And we've got another odd, not sure what that is, and the charging connector. This looks like a little grounding spring that connects to the, I presume that makes contact inside the case. Smells like ferrite. I wonder whether it's a small transformer. So if we have a look at the main IC, that's obviously manufactured by Rockwell. Very old school package design with the circle. It's got the part number A5901C A7620. So this is manufactured in the 20th week of 1976. Oh, that's a bit wobbly, isn't it? Yeah. Power switch is pretty much falling out. I'll resolder that up. That probably works a bit better now. Okay, that's better. So I've got that set to 3.6 volts. I actually set it to 75 milliamps, and it's actually drawing 67 milliamps now. So it looks pretty good. Oh, a bit of a dodgy keyboard there. Okay everybody, I hope you found that interesting. I'll see you on the next video.